Hello, I'm Dr. Albanese, and today we're going to be talking about making smoothies or green drinks using either a juicer or a blender. So let's start with the blender. When you make a smoothie or a green drink, you're going to put all of the fruits and vegetables into the blender and probably add some water or some type of liquid, almond milk, coconut milk, to liquefy it a little bit. And everything that you put into that blender, you're going to consume. You're not extracting anything from it. So one of the big differences between the juicer and the blender is, with the blender, you're going to keep all the fiber in your juice. So your glycemic spike will be a little bit less than with a juicer. And it's easier to add, say, a protein powder or anything else that you want to consume, whether it's maybe some flaxseed or hemp seeds. You can put that in the blender and it's going to make it very easy then to consume all of that. With the juicer, it's a little different. You're putting any of the fruits and vegetables into the juicer, and the juicer is going to separate the fiber and the thicker parts of the fruits and vegetables into this container. The juice will later come out of this container or this chute here, but you are extracting the fiber from whatever you're juicing with a juicer. So if you're looking for the fiber content, if you're looking for a little bit less glycemic spike, the blender is going to be much more advantageous than the juicer, because the juicer, you'll have a greater glycemic spike because you're extracting the fiber from the juice. There's also a little bit more cleanup with the juicer. You have to take it apart and then clean it off. With the blender, it's pretty easy. You just clean the inside. So a little bit more work intensive with the juicer, a little bit less with the blender. Anything that you extract from the juice, you can compost, or I used to take the extracted parts of the juice, put it in a blender and make a smoothie out of it. It's a lot of the fiber from the fruits and vegetables. So that's the comparison between the two. And hopefully that gives you a little idea of the differences between the blender and the juicer. The juicer is more of an extractor, a juice extractor. So you're extracting fiber from the juice, whereas the blender, you're keeping everything intact and you're getting all of the fruits or vegetables in your smoothie or green drink. So you have to ultimately choose what works best for you. I like to use the blender because I want to keep everything intact. I don't want to extract the fiber out. There were times when I used the juicer when I want to make a more concentrated, very specific juice. But really it comes down to what you like and what works best for you. So I hope this gives you a little bit of an idea of how to make smoothies and green drinks using a juicer or a blender and the differences between the two. Have a great day, be well, and we'll see you next time.